take part in Halloween?
Do I take? No, I don't take part. I don't take part. I
Oh,
used to when I was little. It's for the children,
oh,
really. The children take part in it, but I don't really take part in it so much anymore. I used to dress up in costumes, and now not so much. But I do celebrate Thanksgiving, and
oh,
it's a big
oh,
festival. So we cook turkey.
oh. So there is a festival of cooking, right?
Yeah, well, it's like every family has a meal.
All the families get together.
Yes, all the families get together, and it's traditional to eat turkey. Turkey is the
Oh,
traditional food. Turkey with mashed potatoes and gravy.
wow. So excellent, excellent.
Yeah, yeah. It's a real pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. Fine, thank you. Yes, yes. My name is Marion. What's your name?
My name is Indrajit, and I am from India.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
ma'am.
meet you. And what do you do?
Yeah, I am studying Bachelor in Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Okay, that's great. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, a lot.
Yes. What do you like about it?
Yeah, actually, I like the circuit and the electronics gadgeted, so that's why I switched to this stream.
Okay, very good. Very good. And do you have a big family?
Yeah, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt, and also with my grandmother.
Wow, so it's a big extended family. That's great.
And I
Do you
have,
have any brothers or sisters?
yeah, I have one elder brother who stays other state and does a government job.
Okay, all right. And how often do you see your elder brother?
Occasionally or vacation.
On vacation? Yeah. And what part of India are you from?
I'm from east part of India,
The East? Okay. What is the
and
weather like there?
here it is warm as well as in winter cool.
Okay. All right. It sounds like Florida. I'm
Oh
in
yeah,
Florida, so it sounds like that. Yeah. Great.
yeah. It seems, and the season, the present season is autumn.
Autumn. Excellent. Very good. What's your favorite season?
Yeah, my favorite season is winter and autumn also,
Yeah, why?
because in this autumn we see the great festival in India. I mean in Bengali region, that is Durga Puja. It is held, and there is a week off for holidays. So that's why I love this season. On the other hand, I love winter because I love winter, so that's why the we celebrate New Year's as well as birthday of Jesus' birthday. So that's
Yes.
why I love this.
Oh, wow. That's great. So you have lots of festivities coming up.
Yeah, actually India has a lot of festivals. India has diversity.
Yes, that's great. And what do you do in this autumn festival? What kinds of things do you do?
In especially Durga Puja, we wear new clothes, new shirts, and move around the temporary temples that is called pandal. Do you know
Mm.
pandal?
No, I don't know it.
This temporary, this is built with a lot of bamboos as well as tent and various different types of cloths.
Uh-huh. And and you move
This
around the temples?
and a lot of a lot of shops of foods and food stalls are held there for the week. So that's why
Okay.
buy some various types of snacks fast foods during
What's a traditional food that you eat during this festival?
during this. The traditional food is biryani. I love to eat biryani.
Oh, okay, that's great. That's a rice dish, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah,
On
that's
the other
great.
hand, I love to eat on that time egg roll and chicken tikka.
Uh-huh. Okay, very good. Excellent. And what do you like to do in your free time?
Yeah, I love painting.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
and
nice.
I have painted a lot of sceneries like urban as well as rustic sceneries. And I used to paint with watercolor.
Okay, that's not easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And I from my childhood in a art school.
Oh, really? You went to art school? That's
Yeah, from
great.
since my childhood.
Fantastic. And so to paint with watercolor, you have to be very careful.
Yeah, obviously there are some techniques and rules to use watercolor.
Yes.
So I
So you learned
and
it at school?
yeah, and I could not continue because of hectic schedule. And on the other hand, I have to move. I have to I had to go there, the hostel in my childhood, so that's why I could not continue that. But
Ah,
whenever I become free, I used to paint this.
yeah. That's fantastic. That's really good. And why do you study English?
I actually after my bachelor degree, so I want to some decent job. So that's why that if you know in India you know English, then you will be besides your skill. If you know English well, then you have to consider as a first and you have to grant it. So that's why I want to learn spoken English and
Right.
I want to sharpen my spoken English skill. So that's why I switched to Cambly.
Excellent. Well, your English is great.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
you
you.
speak very well. So that's great. So it's good for your career. It's good for your job prospects. And
With
what's that?
who do you live with?
My family.
Oh
Yeah,
wow, great.
yeah.
Is there what is the culture there?
Well, the culture is it's we're coming up to our autumn season, and we have Halloween and Thanksgiving in
Wow,
America.
a lot of festivals.
Yeah, yeah, these are our festivals.
I take part in Halloween.
Do I take? No, I don't take part. I don't take part. I
Oh,
used to when I was little. It's for the children,
oh,
really. The children take part in it, but I don't really take part in it so much anymore. I used to dress up in costumes, and now not so much. But I do celebrate Thanksgiving, and
oh,
it's a big
okay.
festival. So we cook turkey.
Oh, so there is a festival of cooking, right?
Yeah, well, it's like every family has a meal, has a big
Oh,
meal,
wow,
has a big Thanksgiving
great.
meal.
All the families get together.
Yes, all the families get together, and it's traditional to eat turkey. Turkey is the
Oh,
traditional food. Turkey with mashed potatoes and gravy.
wow. So excellent, excellent.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Time duration the festival have
How long
is
is
there?
it? It's just one day.
Oh, one day.
It's just one day. Um,
Great.
yeah, so everybody tries to take off from work and everybody tries to go home to their families and everybody cooks and they make pies for dessert. We make
Oh,
pies.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's nice. And then usually there's a parade on TV. On TV, there's the Macy's Day Parade in New York. It's a very big parade. Now, I don't know this year whether they will have this parade because of Corona.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, and what is the there
Uh,
of COVID-19?
well, it's kind of bad because the president has corona.
Oh, I
Yeah, yeah. So the situation is kind of bad, but it's getting better. It's getting better. It was worse. It was worse than that before. So it's getting better day by day, and they're hopeful that they will come up with a vaccine soon.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah. How about in your country?
Now, the unfortunately the graph of increasing affected people is going up, but the recovery rate is very high, so that
Yes.
is the positive thing in India.
Yes, they have more therapeutics now. There are more drugs that can help a person who is
Yeah,
sick. They're less likely to die. It's not as fatal as it once was. So
yeah,
it's good and it's bad. I mean, because there's still more people are getting it. But yeah, we have to count ourselves lucky and keep trying to be healthy and staying healthy.
take ingredients like with boost up myself as well as take immune to boost up my immunity power.
Yes, yes. What do you do to boost your immunity?
Yeah, some vegetables as well as some vitamins
Vitamins and
and also
vegetables. Yeah.
and to keep clean myself as well as use sanitizer
Yes.
and while going out then use mask.
Yes, yes. So this is very unusual for the United States. We're not used to wearing masks when we go out. So people are used to it now because of the COVID-19, but this is a new development. It wasn't that way before. This is the first time we've been in a severe lockdown because of a virus in my memory. I think the last time this happened was maybe more than 100 years ago with the Spanish flu. There was a Spanish
I
flu.
heard of,
Yeah. And so this is the first time that this has happened in 100 years. And it's very, very unusual.
yeah, we are not prepared for that.
No, it's so unusual that it's the whole world, the whole world has stopped. They postponed the Olympics in Japan.
Yeah, also yeah, and also T20 World Cup
Yes.
cricket.
Yes, everything has been
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
yeah, everything has been postponed. So it's very, very difficult, to imagine that the whole world is like this. But on the positive side, there is a positive side to all this lockdown, and that's the environment has been much cleaner.
Yeah, exactly. And in our perspective, so it saves our time whenever the online class are going on, so that it saves our time as well as it saves our
Yes,
energy.
yes.
And in this genre, so work from home is going high.
Yes, yes, it's very good for people to work from home. So, do you think the online classes have been good for you?
I think so. Actually, I love practical classes and offline classes, but so due to this corona, so I have to do online classes.
Right, right. It's a big debate whether the universities should give back some of the money that they charge the
Exactly,
students.
exactly.
It's a big debate. They
Yeah,
say no, we provide online classes, and the students say no, they should give back the money because it's not the same. What do you
exactly.
think?
I think the university should refund this, and my Macau University also are in the way to refund
Oh,
this.
okay, so they're going to refund it. That's good. That makes sense because they don't have the same overhead expenses.
Yeah, from the previous
Yeah.
season, so that's why they have to refund it.
Yes, yes. But there are colleges like Harvard and Yale and the big schools, they're still debating with their students whether or not they're going to refund the
Yeah,
money.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And what is Zania? Oh, ma'am.
Oh,
So you are happy
yeah.
to meet you, and
Thank
thanks.
you. It was a real pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
And see you soon. Take care. Stay safe.
Yes, thank you. Take care and we'll see you soon. I hope to speak to you again soon.
Bye.
Take care. Take
Yes,
care. Bye bye.
bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.